The frill-necked lizard, also known as the frilled dragon, is one of the most fascinating and unique reptiles native to Australia and New Guinea. Known scientifically as Chlamydosaurus kingii, this lizard is famous for its distinctive frill, a large, fan-like structure of skin around its neck that can be extended to intimidate predators and rivals. The frill-necked lizard's striking appearance and unusual behaviors make it a captivating subject of study. Despite its fierce look, it is a relatively small and peaceful creature that plays an essential role in its ecosystem. Here, we'll explore the unique anatomy, behavior, diet, and adaptations that make the frill-necked lizard so interesting, as well as its role in Australian culture and the challenges it faces in the wild. The frill-necked lizard's most recognizable feature is, of course, its frill. This large, fleshy structure is supported by cartilage and usually lies folded against the lizard's body, but when the lizard feels threatened, it can raise the frill in a dramatic display. The frill is brightly colored, often showing hues of orange, red, yellow, and even purple, which contrasts sharply with the lizard's typically brown or gray body. This sudden burst of color and the expanded size of the frill can startle predators, giving the lizard a chance to escape. The frill-necked lizard's frill is not only a defense mechanism, but also a way to assert dominance or attract mates. Males, in particular, may display their frills to show off their size and strength. Another striking behavior of the frill-necked lizard is its tendency to stand up on its hind legs and run, especially when fleeing from a threat. This bipedal movement is rare among lizards and gives the frill-necked lizard a distinct advantage, as running on two legs allows it to move more quickly through its environment. When running, the lizard tucks its front legs against its body and uses its long tail for balance, creating an almost comical sight, as it dashes away from danger. This bipedal sprint has earned the frill-necked lizard a reputation as one of the more agile and unpredictable reptiles in the wild. In terms of size, the frill-necked lizard is medium-sized compared to other lizards. It can grow up to 2.5 to 3 feet long from head to tail, though most of this length is due to its long, slender tail, which accounts for more than half of its body length. Its body is covered in rough, scaly skin that helps it blend into its surroundings, providing excellent camouflage in the forests and woodlands where it lives. The frill-necked lizard's coloration, typically a mix of browns and grays, allows it to stay hidden among leaves, tree bark, and dirt, making it harder for predators to spot. The diet of the frill-necked lizard is primarily insectivorous, consisting mainly of ants, termites, beetles, and other small insects. However, it is also an opportunistic eater and will consume small mammals, spiders, and other invertebrates if the opportunity arises. The lizard's keen eyesight allows it to spot prey from a distance, and it uses its quick reflexes to catch prey with its sticky, extendable tongue. This diet is essential for the frill-necked lizard's survival in the often harsh and arid environments of Australia, where food sources can be scarce. By focusing on abundant insects, it can maintain its energy levels and stay hydrated, as it gets most of its water from the food it eats. In terms of habitat, the frill-necked lizard is highly adaptable, though it prefers warm, forested areas and savannas. It spends much of its time in trees, where it is safe from ground-dwelling predators. These lizards are excellent climbers and use their sharp claws to grip bark and branches, moving with ease between tree limbs. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day, spending their mornings basking in the sun to regulate their body temperature. Like many reptiles, they are ectothermic and depend on external heat sources to stay warm. Basking in the morning sun allows them to raise their body temperature, which is crucial for digestion and overall activity. The frill-necked lizard's frill serves additional purposes beyond defense. It is also thought to help with thermoregulation, allowing the lizard to release excess heat when it expands the frill. This adaptation is especially useful in Australia's hot climate. Furthermore, the frill may help catch the attention of potential mates, as the display of a vibrant, fully extended frill could signal a healthy, strong partner. During mating season, males will often use their frills and physical displays to impress females and ward off competing males. Mating for frill-necked lizards typically occurs in the rainy season when food is abundant, giving the young a better chance of survival. After mating, females lay clutches of about 8 to 23 eggs, burying them in sandy soil where they can incubate safely. The eggs hatch in about 2 to 3 months, depending on the temperature, and the young are entirely independent from birth, receiving no parental care. Hatchlings are born with fully functional frills and are capable of foraging for themselves almost immediately. This independence is crucial, as juvenile frill-necked lizards face numerous predators and need to learn to defend themselves quickly. In Australian culture, the frill-necked lizard has become an icon of the outback, often associated with resilience and adaptability. It has appeared on postage stamps, coins, and in various forms of media, symbolizing the unique wildlife of Australia. The lizard's dramatic frill and bipedal running have made it a favorite among animal enthusiasts and researchers alike, leading to its appearance in nature documentaries and educational materials. Despite its popularity, the frill-necked lizard faces various threats in the wild. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization has reduced the availability of suitable living spaces, and climate change poses additional challenges by altering weather patterns and temperature. However, the frill-necked lizard is not currently endangered, thanks to its wide range and adaptability. Conservation efforts in Australia are focused on preserving natural habitats and ensuring that populations of native species, including the frill-necked lizard, remain stable. Interestingly, the frill-necked lizard has also found a place in the exotic pet trade. While some people keep these lizards as pets, it's essential to remember that they require specialized care, including ample space, appropriate lighting, and a diet that mimics what they would eat in the wild. The frill-necked lizard's need for specific conditions can make it challenging to keep in captivity, and conservationists urge potential pet owners to ensure they obtain these animals from responsible, ethical sources. The evolutionary history of the frill-necked lizard is as unique as the species itself. Scientists believe the dramatic frill evolved as an adaptation to scare predators and assert dominance among rivals. The frill's bright colors, combined with the lizard's sudden bipedal movement, can effectively startle many predators. This adaptation has likely been a factor in the species' survival, as the frill-necked lizard faces numerous predators, including large birds of prey, snakes, and feral animals. In summary, the frill-necked lizard is a remarkable example of the adaptability and diversity of the animal kingdom. Its unique frill, impressive bipedal sprint, and specialized diet reflect the challenges and opportunities of life in Australia's rugged landscape. From its role as an insect predator to its place in Australian culture, the frill-necked lizard exemplifies the resilience and ingenuity of Australia's native wildlife. This lizard's ability to thrive in a range of environments and respond to threats with agility and intelligence is a testament to the power of natural selection and the incredible adaptability of reptiles. Preserving its habitat and respecting its place in the ecosystem are essential steps toward ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the frill-necked lizard and its extraordinary displays. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.